Hey guys, this is Brett Norman with AgSmarts. We're about to do a video for the installation of a field node light, an FNS Lite. But you can use this video as guidance for the field node station, the full version as well. They're very similar, same tools, same applications as far as the posts and the zip ties and all that kind of stuff. So let's get to it. And that starts with driving our post in the ground. So I'm going to go ahead and extend this out. They collapse down to 4 foot. Take all the sections out. They have little red line indicators of where to stop extending if you're going to take it all the way up. One of the items that we like to use I'm just going to slide it down. So I just use the angle there. Alright, so that ascending tone there tells me that it came on. So I'm just going to secure it here. Actually do a little bit lower. Give myself some room to play if I need to with the sensors that I'm going to, you'll see me in a second, burying in the ground. So. This little device here, it's in a polycarbonate box. Some electronics inside of it, but it's super light, just a few ounces, so it doesn't take a whole lot to keep it secure. Just want to make sure that you have a strong, that the zip is taut. That's nipped. I'll do one here on the bottom as well. You do want to be careful. There's a antenna connector at the bottom. You don't want that zip to be in front of it, so I should remind you to be careful there. Okay, this guy's taut. Now I'm going to go ahead and hook up my my SMA cable, little coaxial. Just screw it in and actually feed it back up into the telescoping pole for any coyotes or raccoons that might want to sniff around and play with that. And if you're in the field a lot, you know what I'm talking about. So that makes it cleaner as well. Great. That's good and tight. My pole's tight. I'm going to put one more zip up top here, just around the telescoping pole. I've got two here with the clamp and the zip. Zips, I should say, 3. But just to keep it secure up top, I'm going to do the same. Winds can get pretty strong in these big open fields. We're using a T-post today. The telescoping pole is on. Now it's time to hook up these sensors and get them in the ground. So I go ahead and prep those. This field node light can accept up to 3 watermarks. Little 2-pin connectors that we put on there, and a temperature. I'm going to go ahead and install the temp. To keep it from getting direct sunlight, which would affect the reading. We give these, they come in standard 5-foot leads. You don't want too close to the ground where it will be affected by radiant heat off of the soil itself. Here. And I'm going to secure it G my post as well. I'm using the hose clamp of the antennas to secure this here, so I'm tight on both sides. Alright, lastly I'm going to install the soil moisture probes. I'm going to use all three of the ports here. I'm going to do a 6, 12, and an 18 inch. I went ahead and pre-zipped the soil moisture probes together, but I'll go ahead and connect them here. Like all of our sensors, they're color-coded, so these external nuts will tell you which sensor is right for it. So blue to blue, then white to white over here. The red port on the Field Node Lite is for charging. We don't have a solar panel for it. It's for the wall wart that we use to recharge it. Okay guys, now I'm installing the actual sensors into the ground. I'm using an AMS soil sampling probe. It's a hammer sampling probe. I'm going in row with this little cotton is just popping up here. I'm going in row with it and being careful not to hurt or disturb the plants that are coming up. But I want those roots to grow around it, so that's why it's important to go in row. I like to go in descending order, so the deepest depth first. That gives me as much play as I need. So I'm going to do an 18 inch and then just a bit down and 12 inch, and then my final one is a 16 inch. That should give me good soil profile for the effective root zone of this cotton crop this year. Alright, so I'm going to go 6 more inches. Here. So my 6. So my 18 inch. I'm seated all the way at the bottom there. And my 12 inch. Yeah, good tension there. I can feel that. Now I'm going to go get a jug of water, make a little slurry, pour this in, backfill the holes. Yeah, for any like air pockets and stuff like that to come up. What you don't want is a pocket to stay on there. What I also like to do is to prevent little cavities. Again, you want this to be as representative as possible, so even mounding up the dirt a little bit around it to keep it from creating a cavity in which the water would sink and then run. Okay, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and please check out more of our videos at agsmarts.com under our product section. Take care. This has been an instructional video from AgSmarts. Please visit agsmarts.com for more information.